Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, at first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for sounds and vibration. And as you can see, here we can find a couple of the options. At first we can adjust the sound mode, so we can change between sound, vibrate, or we can mute. When we set up the sound, we can enable vibration for ringing by tapping on the switcher. In this place we can change ringtone, notification and the system sounds. Let's change, for example, the ringtone. So here we have the list of the default sounds. If you want to set up your own, you have to click on the right upper corner, and here you will find all songs that you have downloaded on your smartphone. So we can set up, for example, the Over the Horizon. It will look the same for the notification and the system sound. In this place we got the volume levels of ringtone, media, notifications and a system. We can adjust them by moving these dots on the left or the right to increase or decrease level of volume. Right here we can also, let me just turn it off. Right here we can also control media with our volume keys. So right now when you try to make change, we can control only the ringtone, but if you want to control the media, you have to tap on the switcher. So we can choose. In this place we can find vibration options. So at the first we can change the call vibration pattern. Right here we got notification vibration pattern. And below we got vibration intensity for the touch interaction. So by moving this dot, you can increase or decrease. Here we can find system sound and vibration control, where we can find a lot of options, and we can adjust them by tapping on the switchers. Here we can also find the sound quality and effects. So we can find here the Dolby Atmos for the gaming, equalizer. We can also adjust our custom options. Here we got also the adapt sound, where we can find adapt sound for media and calls, only media or only calls. So we can decide, I'm going to pick it only for media. And we got few default modes. We got under 30 years old, between 30 and 60, and over 60. You can test your hearing. You can also adjust them manually, but of course you have to connect your earphones. And also you will be able to adjust these options when you enable earphones, because as you can see right now they are unavailable. And the last option that we can find here is the separate app sound. When we turn it on and then select application, the sound will be played from this application to the different device. So for example, from the YouTube we can decide that we can stream the song to the Bluetooth devices. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.